You're looking for an exhaust upgrade for your vehicle and don't know which Valvetronic muffler is right for you. But don't worry, we're here to help. I'm Brandon from Valvetronic, Dirty30RI on Instagram. Let's get right into it. Starting off is our OG single inlet, single outlet universal muffler. This muffler has been around for years and we've seen it in some of the coolest builds out there. These builds include high horsepower Mustangs, Ram TRXs, 1,000 horsepower Hellcats, NA Miatas, classic BMWs, and even minivans. The possibilities with this muffler are endless. This muffler is most commonly used in single exit rear muffler vehicles like a Nissan S14, in cars with two single exit mufflers like Dodge Chargers, Challengers, and dual exit Mustangs, and even in some interesting situations like the new Camaro. The new Camaro has an interesting bend before the pipes split from singles to duals, and our mufflers fit perfectly in that situation. And they're also used as mid-muffler deletes like in a Ram TRX or a Ram 1500. Next, we have our single inlet, dual outlet universal muffler. This is essentially the same exact product as the single inlet, single outlet, but completely eliminates the need for a Y-pipe if you want to have two tips on your vehicle. So once installed, all you have to do is slip on your new exhaust tips, like so. Examples of some vehicles that would use this configuration would be Explorer STs, E46, E36, or E30 BMWs, and quad exit vehicles like a Mustang GT. And lastly, we have our universal T-style muffler. This T-muffler is perfect for any vehicle that has a single inlet dual outlet exhaust similar to a Volkswagen GTI, Jeep Wrangler, FRS 86 BRZ, or something like a single mid-pipe E90 335. All you need to do is add elbow pipes on each side of this muffler, put on some tips, and you have a sporty valved rear section for your vehicle. All of these mufflers have the same valve technology that we've been developing for the past 4 years. When the valves are open, your car essentially has a muffler delete, and with the valves closed, your car will sound like stock. Hopefully this video helped you decide which Valvetronic muffler is best for your vehicle. If you have any more questions, leave it down in the comments below, or go to valvetronic.com and reach out to our customer support.